All right, we're going to do the circuit for the belt drive car version 2. And this is what it will look like when we put the snap, the switch, and the motor together. We're going to put the red of the snap to the switch, the blue of the motor to the switch, and then the red of the motor and the black of the snap together. Okay. First of all, we're going to strip off the wires, or strip off the insulation of the wires to expose some of the metal. And we'll put the blue side into the switch from the motor, and you need to get the wire through there and twist it around the motor terminals, the hole in the motor terminals. The same with the red wire from the snap. I'm going to get close up here. It might get a little blurry, but here's the soldering process. So I'm just heating up that terminal in the wire with the soldering iron, and then I'm bringing the solder to the terminal when it's heated up. Okay, I don't want to put a bunch of solder on the iron and then try to bring it. I'm trying to heat up the elements and then pushing the solder into it. And I get a nice solid electrical connection when that's done. Okay, so when that's done, I can take that out of the helping hands. That's two of our connections. Now we only have one connection left. There's a little bit of a close-up. See, I'm going to cut away a little bit of the excess wires. But now I'm going to connect the last connection between the black and red of the snap and the motor. I just twist those two wires together and I hold it into the clip of the helping hands. And same thing here. I just hold the soldering iron closely to the wire until it's heated up and solder into it. Usually a pretty quick and easy process. Now you can take the battery wrap off and actually give it a test to see if it works. So you'll see the motor spinning, you can hear it. Clip off a little of the extra wire if you don't need it. And then I'm going to wrap that one solder joint with electrical tape to keep that from touching anything else and creating a short circuit. And this is what it looks like finished. All right. Now we have that small pulley needs to fit on the motor shaft. That's a tight fit. Sometimes I even have to use pliers to get that on. And we're ready to do the final assembly.